little friends. What color are we going to learn today? Let's see. It's blue. Yay! Let's stamp our fingers with blue. Stamp, stamp, stamp. B-L-U-E. That spells blue. Now it's time to color with blue. Is this blue? No. Is this blue? No. Is this blue? Yes! Yay! We found the color blue. Color, color, color with blue. Color the whale blue. Did you know whale is the largest mammal? I love whales. Do you? And we are done! Yay! Now let's color the pants with this blue Sharpie. Blue pants, dancing like an ant. And we are done! Yay! Now let's paint the water drop blue. Is this blue? No. Is this blue? No. Is this blue? No. Is this blue? Yes! We found blue paint! Yay! Now let's take out a little blue paint. Let's dip our brush in blue paint. Dip, dip, dip the brush in water. Dip, dip. Look, the water's turning blue now. And we are done. The peacock is blue too. Let's learn new ways to say blue. In English, blue is called blue. In Spanish, blue is called azul. Can you say azul? In Arabic, blue is called azraku. Can you say azraku? Azul peacock, blue pants, azraku drop. B-L-U-E, that spells blue. Let's spin around and touch our shoe. We learned blue. Hooray! Hooray! More colors coming every day. Bye-bye, blue. See you soon. We'll come back with green or maroon.